Welcome to the ultimate fulfillment of a season's hard work. This is the moment the soil delivers on its promise. What you're witnessing isn't just a harvest, it's the culmination of months of dedication, weather reliance, and agricultural science. We're on the farm today to capture the full life cycle of the mighty soybean, from tiny sprout to this final golden bounty. Get ready for a deep dive into the growing and harvesting of one of the world's most critical crops. Even without the planting footage, our story starts here, in the midst of the early vegetative stages. Look closely at these young plants. They are racing against time, establishing a robust root system, and pushing out their distinctive trifoliate leaves. These three leaf clusters are miniature solar panels, converting every ray of sun into stored energy. During this initial phase, the priority is vigor and density. We monitor the spacing between the plants to ensure they aren't competing too heavily for nutrients, water, and, most importantly, sunlight. It's a constant, careful balance to promote optimal health and prepare them for the crucial reproductive phase ahead. Now, we move into the beautiful, yet critical reproductive stages. See these small white and purple flowers scattered among the leaves? These are the direct precursors to the soybean pod. This brief flowering window is vital. A sudden heat wave or drought here can drastically impact our final yield. Once pollinated, the flowers transform, and the pods begin to swell. Watch them carefully. Inside each pod, the tiny seeds are rapidly developing. We track the growth in terms of R stages, from R1, beginning flower, to R5, beginning seed. Every pod count and every seed size contributes directly to the success of this farm. This phase demands meticulous scouting for pests, like spider mites or aphids, and strategic nutrient management to ensure those pods fill out completely. Now we arrive at the signal that the season is drawing to a close. The plants enter what we call senescence, or natural dry down. The beautiful, vibrant green fades away, yielding to a brilliant gold, and finally, a dusty brown. The plant has essentially completed its life cycle and is dedicating all its remaining resources to drying the seeds inside the pod. This process must happen naturally and evenly. We are now obsessively tracking the moisture content of the beans. The ideal moisture level for harvest is typically around 13 to 15%. If we harvest too early, too wet, we risk spoilage and costly drying fees. If we wait too long, too dry, the pods can shatter, causing significant loss right back into the field. This waiting game is the final test of a farmer's patience and timing. The waiting is over. The heavy machinery rolls out. This powerful machine is a combine harvester, and it's the heart of modern agriculture. Let's look closely at how it works. The header at the front gently guides the soybean stalks into the machine. Inside, a complex process of threshing and separation occurs, designed to cleanly knock the beans out of the pod and separate them from the MOG, or material other than grain. You can see the clean beans emerging and being funneled up the auger and into the main grain tank. We're constantly adjusting the settings on the combine, the cylinder speed, the fan speed, the concave clearance, all to minimize seed damage and reduce the loss of beans over the back. Every trip across the field is a testament to technology making the most of every single pod. Watch as the grain cart pulls alongside the moving combine for a continuous unload. That efficiency is what allows us to complete this crucial job quickly before weather turns against us. With the final rows harvested and the golden grain safely loaded, another season comes to a close. These soybeans now head to storage or market, destined for processing into essential products worldwide. From a small seed to over, mention a rough yield amount, e.g., 50 bushels per acre, the soybean is truly an agricultural marvel. Thank you for spending these 15 minutes with us on the farm. We hope you gained a new appreciation for the hard work that goes into every bag of soybeans. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments.